feet. Shadows follow where the daylight retreats. Every whisper turns into stone. This is the song of being alone. No one hears the quiet cry, a melody that never dies. The song of alone. It plays when the night has swallowed home. A silent hymn, a hollow tone, carved in the bones. The song of alone. Windows glow with a life not mine. I watch through glass left outside in time. Every laugh is a distant drone. This is the song of being